Hello friends, welcome to Cheryl's Topsy-Turvy Recipes. Today I am going to make drumstick, potato and cauliflower curry. So come on, let us see the masalas. Today I am going to grind garlic, ginger, jeera, golki and some onions. These are the masalas which I am going to use. So I will grind this. So come on, let us start with the recipe. Put some mustard oil. Put some pachforan. Put the onions cut up. Fry the onions till it gets brown. You can see the onions are turned brown. Now put in the ground up masala. Put some turmeric powder. Put some chili powder. Let the masala turn brown. Masalas are turned brown. Now I'll put in the vegetables. Put some salt. Put in the cut up tomatoes. And the dhania patti also. Mix it well. Put in the water. Cover it up and let it cook. The drumstick, potato and cauliflower curry is cooked up. See the potatoes all cooked up nicely. Even this also, the drumstick also is cooked up. Cooked up nicely. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe, like, comment, share. You can see the curry, how delicious, tasty it's looking. I kept gravy in the curry. Thank you for watching my video.